Now let's take a look at pointers with 2D arrays. Here I have a 3-row and 4-column array with values. And here we have some sample addresses, and we assume that each integer is occupying 2 bytes, although it may vary from system to system, as in my case it occupies 4 bytes. Now let me try to print the value of ARR. So I will say cout ARR, and as expected it displays the base address. Now normally when I say star ARR, it displays the value stored at that location. So let me try that. I'll say cout star ARR, but surprisingly it still displays the same address, that is ARR and star ARR return the same result. In fact, ARR returns the base address of 2D array, but when you say star ARR, it still returns the base address of the 0th element of the 2D array, because actually the 0th element of the 2D array is a 1D array. So you still get the base address, that is base address of the 0th 1D array. So now if I say star star ARR, it will actually access the value. Let me try that. Let me remove this and I'll say cout star star ARR. And now you can see that we have the value 1. Now let's try a few more combinations. Because star ARR returns 1D array address, so if I say cout star ARR plus 0, this will also return the base address of 0th element of 1D array. Now if I place star before this parenthesis, which is this, you can see it returns me the value of 0th element. Now let me copy this line and paste it, and instead of 0, I will say 1. And now you can see that it displays the next element value. When I say ARR plus 1, it means base address plus 1 location, that is the next location. In the same way, let me say cout star star ARR plus 5 and run this, and it returns the value 6. There is also another way to get the same value. ARR of 0, 2 is actually equivalent to star star ARR plus 0 plus 2. Here star ARR is the base address of single dimensional array. So if I say 1 instead of 0, it means it will point to this second row base address, and then we have 2, which means this third element. In short, ARR of 1, 2 is equivalent to this. So these were some of the basic prerequisites when you are using pointers to arrays.